Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. Right here in this video, I'm going to disclose to you guys this free Bitcoin mining website where you mine Bitcoin for yourself, absolutely free and super fast, guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, all you need to do is just subscribe to this YouTube channel for more latest content. I'll provide a link to this website in the description box of this video. You just have to click on the link and sign up on your account for yourself, guys. So with all that being said, guys, let's go straight into the video. So guys, welcome to this Bitcoin mining website by name Bitcoin Mining ATM, guys. This is a Bitcoin mining website where you mine Bitcoin with ease and with no stress, guys. So you can see right here on the home page, you can see this is the home page of this Bitcoin mining website, your Bitcoin mining millionaire machine, guys. With this website you can easily mine Bitcoin like ATM withdrawals, guys. So it's easy. All you need to do is just sign up. You can see when you sign up, you're given free 200 GHz mining speed, which is going to enable your mining of this Bitcoin absolutely for free, guys. You can see their withdrawals are instant. You can get 5 to 10% commission, and you can see right here everything is easy, guys. You can mine Bitcoin on a daily basis, and you get your earnings straight on your balance once you mine, guys. So the Bitcoin mining is super easy and straightforward. You can see right here, you can read about this Bitcoin mining company right here, and that's why you can see their certificate, their certificate of private limited company here as well, guys. So to sign up an account, you just have to come here. It says open your account, but once you click on the link provided in the description box of the video, you don't need to stress yourself about that. Once you are here, you just have to input your full name, your username, you enter your password, you type your password, you enter your email address, you retype the email address, you set a security question, you answer it, you enter this code right here, you agree to terms and conditions, and click on registration, and your account will be created successfully. So that is how to create an account here on this Bitcoin mining website. So I'll just click on login right here. I'll log in my own personal account. You can see my details have been saved already, so I'll just enter this code provided right here in this space right here, and boom, yeah, my account will be logged in successfully, guys. So the code right there is QK, small letters, QK 4G7. So once I've done that, I'll click on login. So clicking on login, my account will be logged in successfully. So immediately you have signed up an account here on this website, your Bitcoin mining will start mining immediately, guys. So you can see mine going on right here, Bitcoin mining. You can see it right here. You can see the Bitcoin mining going on right here. It's super fast and free, guys. So I told you, once you have signed up, you're given 200 GHz mining speed. You can see my active miner 200 GHz mining speed. I registered here on this website on the 9th of April 2026, guys. So you just have to mine some amount of Bitcoin for yourself and withdraw once you have reached the withdrawal threshold. You can see I've mined $0.02 currently on my balance. You can see Bitcoin balance $0.02 has been mined for free here on this website. I deposited no dime to this website. I've been mining here absolutely for free. You can see the mining going on right here. Just create an account. The link is provided in the description box of this video, and boom, you start mining Bitcoin for yourself, guys. So that is how to mine here on this website. So another way you earn is just copy your referral link. You can see where you see referral link. You just copy this referral link right here. So once you copy it, you share to your family and friends on social media like WhatsApp, Twitter, and Instagram. And once they register using your link, you're going to be earning massively for referring them to this website. So after you must have mined effectively and you want to withdraw, you just have to click where it says withdraw funds. So clicking on withdraw funds, you will see the available mine balance which is available to withdraw. You can see it, Bitcoin. I've mined some amount of Bitcoin. You can see it right here, $0.02 worth of Bitcoin which I have mined for free, guys. So once you have done that, you just click where it says edit. Once you click on edit right here, you copy your Bitcoin address from your wallet, and you come here and locate. You can see there are many withdrawal method here. Then you locate Bitcoin. You understand? You locate Bitcoin, and you can see Bitcoin right here. Then you just have to paste the address here and click on save changes to account. And once you have done that, the address will be saved successfully and you can withdraw your earnings here effectively. Then you just have to enter the amount you want to withdraw, click on request, and the withdrawal will be successful there. So that is how to withdraw your earnings here on this website. So all you need to do, just create an account and you mine free Bitcoin for yourself, guys. You can see how fast the mining is going on right here. You just have to create an account and boom, you are good to go, guys. So if you enjoy the content of this video, please do what? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you all guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.